So here's my Mini REVO VXL 1/16 scale, and this is with the Traxxas 7185A or Alpha. And these are the back lights, and these are the front lights. Now I do run 3S batteries, so I found that the power module I don't think supports 3S batteries. I think they just support the stock battery or a 2S, because the front lights never worked from the kit. So as you can see, I wired all the lights to the receiver. These lights here are variable lights that I got off eBay, anywhere from 5 volts to 15 volts with a built-in resistor. So these are pretty nice lights. You don't have to worry about running a separate resistor or blowing them on a receiver, even if you run 7.4 volts. So they're pretty nice. Light kit is very easy to see at night. And again, that power module, there's no information out there on what the input voltage is. And I think they output 3.3 volts. But here's with the lights off. Looks pretty cool.